My name is Osalue. I'm a player of Rayon Sports from Nigeria. I have an injury in the last game I played against Espoir. And I went for surgery. I did the surgery last week, so the surgery was successful. And I'm happy to be okay now. I'm looking forward to get better, to recover, so I can start playing again.
What's up, man? How are you, my brother? How are you? Man, we miss you very much. Are you getting better? I'm here with your man.
My nigga. Osalue. Egbo.
Man, come back sooner, man.
Yeah. Bro, we wish you quick recovery. Yeah, I will come to see you after the game, okay?
We're coming to see you with the 3 points in the bag.
I hope you're eating too much fufu and too much jollof.
You want him to grow fast.
Okay, see you, bro. Cheers. Take care.
Okay, man. We are going to start training. Get better soon. Love you, man. Take care. Okay.
Umukinnyi Rafael Osalue yagize ikibazo mu ivi. Ni ikibazo kimaze igihe. Yageze muri Rayon Sports mu kwezi kwa 8. Dutangira kugenda tubibona. Ni ikibazo cya menisque. Menisque yagize ikibazo cyo gukomereka. Menisque rero ubusanzwe yikomeretse. Iyo atari ibintu bikomeye mushobora kwivura mukoresheje physiotherapy n'ubundi buryo bworoshye. Ariko iyo ari blessure ikomeye ya menisque nk'iyo we yagize bisaba yuko abagwa. Rero samedi cyumweru gishize operation yarakozwe, ni operation yitwa arthroscopy yabazwe na Dr. Bukara, orthopediste. Operation yagenze neza. Twari twarabanje kugerageza ubundi buryo traitement médical nk'uko bayita, imiti na kine n'amamashini asanzwe dukoresha, ariko ntibyakunda, akomeza kugenda babara. Akajya yoroherwa igihe cyagera akongera akababara. Kaza gakora imyitozo hashira igihe tukabona ntabwo biri mu gukunda. Niho twafashe umwanzuro wo kumujyana muri MRI. MRI niyo yatweretse blessure uko imeze. Nasanga ntabwo twakomeza kuvura muri ubwo buryo, dutanga raporo ku buyobozi bafata icyemezo batereka abagwe nta kibazo. Ubu rero yarabazwe hashize icyumweru kimwe. Yakorewe operation bita arthroscopy. Ntabwo ari operation igoye cyane, ariko ntibizamubuza gufata ibyumweru hagati ya 6 n'8 kugira ngo abe yagaruka mu kibuga. Operation yararangiye, mu cyumweru gitaha azatangira n'ubundi myitozo yo muri kinesiotherapy kugira ngo abashe kongera kugaruka ameze neza. Ubu rero bizatwara hagati y'ibyumweru 6 n'8 nubwo dushobora kongera kumubona mu kibuga.
The other time when Biriz was out on the other match, I think it was for Espoir.
Yeah, Espoir.
That's where you get that injury from.
Same day, with me.
The same day with you.
Yeah.
You saw him coming out because he went out before you.
Yeah, went out before me at the first minutes. Yeah.
Sure. So, were you having an injury first, or you insisted?
No, actually, that game, like in football, there's many players, even in Europe. There is not all the player who is in the pitch is 100% okay. Some they have just minor injury. Sure. Like I tell you, last season I used to have those minor injury. Well, it can't stop you from playing games. So that game, I was actually having those minor pain because even in the training, the fans, they don't know how we train. So we train. Sometimes we got injured from the training. You understand? But it's not too serious, a minor one which cannot stop us to play. Then we come to play. I was having some minor injury because they hit me on the training. Sure. So I have to play like that, even taking the painkiller so I can be fine. Sure. I was fine. That's why I played the game. If I'm not fine as a professional, I will tell the coach, I'm not okay. Can you put someone else? And the coach see me too, I'm okay. That's why I have to play me in the game. So in football, anything can happen. At the first minute when Brazil got that injury, I even have a photo of that game when Brazil was going out. I was like, oh my God, what's going to happen next? Like, this game can be somehow difficult for us because we don't have much players on the substitute.
Sure.
So I was like, why this? Why now? Why is it happening to this guy? So after some minutes, then me too, that guy come, hit me on the leg. So I was like trying to manage because when I look outside, I see there's no one who is going to come in. I say, oh my God, when I go out, we are finished. What can I do? The doctor was even telling me, Rafael, please, can you come out? I insisted. I said, no, wait. Maybe the pain can go after some minutes. But I said that the pain is not going. So after scoring the goal, then I was thinking, even when I was going to celebrate, I was running like one side, you can know I have a problem. Yeah. Then after that, like 2 minutes later, they gave me the ball. I was going to pass to Paul Wele. Then the leg, the tear opened too much again. Yeah, it's a meniscus problem, the tear. So the thing opened too much. I cannot even like stand with, I can't even put the leg on the ground. It was too much for me. They even have to take me to the bus. I can't walk. So that's why I got the injury. And it was very difficult for me because I felt bad because at that time my team need me. So I have to go out because the situation was critical. So that's why.
So ati kuri iriya match rwose nagize injury, naravunitse. Mbirizi yaravunitse avamo mbere yanjye, then mbona ndebye hanze nanjye mvunitse, mbona nta bisubizo byinshi bihari kuri bench. Ndavuga ati reka nkomeze ngerageze kuko burya ngo umukinnyi afitemo akantu k'akabazo agakomeza akagakiniraho gato nko mu minota 4-5 biba byarangiye. Aragerageza bongeye bamukubise, noneho ahita baparariza bikinya rwose, bisaba na Brancard kugira ngo amukore mu kibuga. Atari ko yageragezaga kugira ngo arebe ko mu by'ukuri yarwana kuri equipe, umva ko mu by'ukuri umutima, commitment byose byari biri kuri equipe, ariko ageraho nawe biranga. So uri kumva rero niho yakuye Imvune, ariko ubu ngubu yarabazwe mu kwambera araba ari urugwembe neza cyane. So I know you have a lot to tell Rayon Sports fans. What's in your mind? What do you have for Rayon Sports fans this year?
This year?
Because man, it has been 4 years without going out.
The Rayon Sports fans, they deserve to be happy.
Sure.
What I say. And with all the effort they are putting this season in the team, for sure, they deserve to be happy.
Sure.
Though in football, this is football. Anything can happen.
Sure.
Like we're in modern days. In modern football, there's no big team, no small. You see, even the England Premiership, even the World Cup, the small teams beating the big teams.
Every match of Rayon is a final.
Yeah, every match is a final, and that spirit is good. It makes the players put more effort to work. So this season is left for the players, for we, because I'm included.
Sure.
Yeah, we have to put more effort because the fans, what they are demanding from us is big, because they are also putting a big, huge effort to the team. So we have to work hard. We have to try our best to like give them what they want. Within our power, we can do anything which can make them happy. And I see what can make them happy is by winning.
Sure.
Yeah, but the
when
other
you
thing,
win, they give you money.
Yeah, when you win, you get money. That's it. When you don't win, no money.
They boo you.
Yeah, they boo you. That's the thing. You can even play like you can score 3 goals, 4 goals. They praise you. But one game, when you messed up one game, they boo you.
Sure.
So, and that is football. That's football, because they want every time they want to win. They have that zeal to win. So for we the players is to try to make efforts to make them happy, like trying our best at all costs to make them happy. So we have to give them what they want, so we too, we get what we ask from them.
Does that pressure of the Rayon Sports fans put you on pressure too?
No, can't put me on pressure.
No, I mean like
Yeah.
the pressure that we want to win, we want to win. Does it
Yeah,
like
that thing
help you to-
It helps because sometimes in the pitch when you are playing,
and you see Amatara,
you see the
touch.
Yeah, the touch. You see the fans. You like have to do this for these guys. Then you remember the past glory, the past match. The way after the game, you guys are clapping their hand.
Sure.
You see the happiness on their face. So you'll be like, I want that again. These guys, let me try to give them that happiness again. So inside the pitch, those things can motivate you. Like you can even get an extra strength to push, to fight, just to get that result they want.
Sure.
Yeah, so it helps.
Sure.
Commit!